Biotechnology is a field that has revolutionized many aspects of our lives, from medicine to agriculture, to energy production. With the rapid advancements in technology, the demand for biotech professionals is on the rise. In this video, we'll explore the top reasons why you should consider studying biotechnology. Reason number 1. Biotechnology has the potential to save lives. Biotech research is focused on developing new treatments and cures for diseases that have eluded traditional medicine. By studying biotechnology, you can contribute to this life-saving work, whether it be in developing new therapies for cancer or vaccines for infectious diseases. Reason number 2. Biotechnology can help feed the world. As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for food is increasing. Biotech research is focused on developing crops that are resistant to pests and disease and that can withstand extreme weather conditions. By studying biotechnology, you can play a crucial role in ensuring that we have enough food to feed everyone. Reason number 3. Biotechnology can help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. As the world grapples with the effects of climate change, biotech researchers are developing new ways to produce energy from renewable sources. From biofuels to biodegradable plastics, biotech research is helping to create a more sustainable future. Reason number 4. Biotechnology offers a wide range of career opportunities. The field of biotechnology is vast, with opportunities in research and development, manufacturing, sales and marketing, and more. By studying biotechnology, you can gain skills that are in high demand and that can open doors to a variety of exciting and rewarding careers. Finally, studying biotechnology is an opportunity to learn about the world around us at a molecular level. Biotechnology is a multidisciplinary field that combines biology, chemistry, physics, and engineering. By studying biotechnology, you can gain a deep understanding of how living organisms function and how we can manipulate them to improve our lives. So, there you have it, the top reasons why you should consider studying biotechnology. Whether you are interested in saving lives, feeding the world, creating a sustainable future, pursuing a rewarding career, or simply learning about the world around us, biotechnology offers something for everyone. So why not consider a career in biotechnology and make a difference in the world?